In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add categories to your Weebly website. Organizing your products into categories makes it much easier for visitors to navigate your online store and find exactly what they're looking for. Start by opening your preferred web browser. Chrome, Firefox, or Safari will all work fine. And head to the official Weebly website. Click Sign In at the top right and enter your credentials to access your dashboard. This is your central hub for managing all aspects of your site. Once you're on the dashboard, click on the Items section. Here you will find the option for Site Categories. Click it to open the Categories interface. At the top right, you'll see the Add Category button. Click it to start creating a new category. Give your new category a clear, descriptive name that reflects the type of products or content it will contain. This helps visitors quickly understand what's included. Next, click Choose Items to populate your category. A list of all your products will appear, and you can select which items to include by checking the boxes next to their names. After you've selected the products and are happy with the category name, click Save. This final step ensures your new category is live on your site, making it easier for your customers to browse and shop efficiently. And that's it. By following these steps, you've successfully added categories to your Weebly website, enhancing the shopping experience and helping visitors find what they need faster.